बीजेपी नेताओं का बौखला और तो देखिए, आज तक और इंडिया टुडे के सीनियर एंकर राजदीप सरदेसाई से देखिए कैसे भिड़त गए थे वो। आप ही बताइए, जब कोई कुछ सच बात बता दे तो फिर उसको हजम नहीं होता, उसी को लेके देखिए कैसे क्या करते। आपको आगे मैं उसका पूरा वीडियो दिखाऊंगा, तब तक आप लोग ही बताइए। अगर ऐसा ही अगर रूलिंग पार्टी का नेता अगर ऐसा करने लग जाए तो फिर बताइए दूसरा पार्टी का क्या हालत होगा। आप लोग का पास तो सब कुछ है, पावर है, सब कुछ है, फिर भी आप लोग का ऐसा क्यों? तो नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। दोस्तों, आज बात करने वाले हैं बीजेपी के नेता, सीनियर नेता, स्पोक पर्सन। उन्होंने इंडिया टुडे आज तक के सीनियर एंकर राजदीप सरदेसाई से बहुत सारे बहस करने लग गया। उसमें राहुल कंबल भी थे, लेकिन और एक लेडी एंकर भी थी, उसका सामने इतना कुछ हो गया। तो दोस्तों चलिए मैं आपको पूरा वीडियो दिखाता हूँ, उसके बाद आप लोग भी बताइए कमेंट करके कि इसमें क्या सही है क्या गलत है।
Listen, Mr. Rajiv Sir,
he's also an Indian
you have
citizen.
sold your journalism. I don't want to come to that, please. And you are the rudest and the meanest anchor who tries to target the BJP. And you think I will take your nonsense?
I asked you a question.
How dare he say?
I asked you a question, sir. Why are you asking me? He's made a point.
We are all going to break one.
Sir. Do not threaten.
Never ever do that again to my
One second again.
Never ever do that
Just one
again.
second.
Can
From
I
contesting
come
elections for 10 years, and that'll be the end.
So those are the
व्यूअर्स, इस वीडियो में आपने देखा बीजेपी नेताओं का एकदम संयम नहीं है। एक पत्रकार से, एक रिपोर्टर से, जो लोग इतना दिन से उन लोग का गुणगान गाते हैं, उस दिन ठीक था। आज कुछ लोगों ने उनसे, राजदीप सरदेसाई ने कुछ उनसे कड़वा सोच पूछ लिया, उसी में देखिए कैसे गहमा गहमी हो गया। उन्होंने क्या क्या बोलने लगा, देखिए वो एकदम पूरा गुस्सा हो गया इसको ऊपर में लेके। आप लोग भी बताइए, ऐसा क्या एक राजनेता का बिहेवियर ऐसा होना चाहिए? कोई भी पत्रकार हो, चाहे आपका पक्षदार हो या फिर आपका विपक्षदार हो, लेकिन ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए। तो दोस्तों आइए आपको पूरा इंटरव्यू दिखाता हूँ, तब तक आप लोग चैनल को लाइक करके सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए।
We set out the different
Sir,
topics. Let's
no,
debate
1
the
minute.
topic. Why are we
No,
digressing
sir.
from the topic?
Sir, you cannot.
We are digressing from the
Hitesh,
topic,
Hitesh,
Rajiv.
please.
This is the way he wants.
Sunny Deol attended
Rajiv,
Parliament a couple of times for
take
5
more
years.
time than the
I
five
don't
years.
have a right to recall. A government is chosen.
Grind with the BJP. Don't do this, please.
No, all
You are
sides-
talking about what kind of
You asked
electoral
me a
reforms
question,
we are
did you even
having.
come back to us to seek a response? Or I ask you now. Leave it.
Amitabh has got
No, no,
only
I know.
30 seconds so far.
Okay.
You have had 6 minutes.
Yes, I
Have
represent
equal,
the
given
Bharatiya
equal time.
Janata Party. You are raising questions at Narendra Modi ji and the government. I need to respond. Now listen
I
to
will
me.
let you. Let him
I
finish.
ask you a question.
I will let you. First, he must start. No,
How
sir.
dare you say that democracy will not be taken forward by this? I ask you a question. Please answer. Right now, a voter gets how many opportunities to vote in the assembly or the Lok Sabha? Tell me. Answer. 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 You don't have an answer. Second.
1 minute, sir.
Can I please come in?
Rajiv, how many times would the voter get an opportunity to vote in the assembly and the Lok Sabha after one nation, one poll? Same. Why do you say that democracy will not be?
Yes.
Can I please come in for a
Second.
minute?
Second,
No, he
please.
must let him. He's on a roll.
Second.
I thought June
No,
4th
he-
had made people
everybody-
more humble. Clearly, it has not.
Yeah.
You have become even ruder and more obnoxious. I'm sorry, but go ahead.
Who has become rude and obnoxious?
I'm trying to ask you a question.
Question. Just a sec.
You-
Is this a personal comment on me?
It is a comment on someone who raises his
I will
voice
not be able
and
to
doesn't allow
participate.
anyone
Listen,
to speak.
Listen, Mr. Rajiv Sir,
He's
Desai.
also an Indian
You have
citizen.
sold your journalism. I don't want to come to that, please. And you are the rudest and the meanest anchor who tries to target the BJP. And you think I will take your nonsense? I will not. Abstain from making any personal comments. What? Okay, tell me, which are the articles that have to be amended in the Constitution? Tell me.
Can I
Rajiv
come
has
in
to
for
tell
a
me.
minute, please?
No, please, just
No,
wait.
no, I want to make
Tell
a
me,
point.
which
Please
are the
don't
articles
try
to
and
be
do this to
amended?
me.
He won't be able to tell you the articles of the
Amitabh
Constitution.
Tiwari,
Sorry.
since Mr. Gaurav Bhatia,
You are sitting with
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia,
Never ever make
your
a personal
ability,
comment on
you
my
have,
party.
you are coming
Never ever.
in this panel of 6, you've
Yes.
spoken the most and shouted
No,
the most. This
you-
audience can
you are
decide
the
that.
one who's
I'm not going to
biased
get
the
into it.
You are
I'm sorry.
biased to the
This
Bharatiya
audience
Janata
has come here.
And I exercise my right. I ask you the article of the Constitution.
I am not
which
here-
needs to be amended. You
I am
don't
here-
even know. And you are anchoring the show.
गौरव जी,
You
गौरव जी,
can't. I'm just.
मैं आपसे सिर्फ एक
please.
बात बोलना चाह
मैं
रही हूँ।
आपसे
गौरव,
पूछना चाहता हूँ, आपको आर्टिकल
मैं
पता
आपसे
है?
एक बात पूछना
आपको
चाहती
आर्टिकल
हूँ।
पता है?
मेरे
अगर
से
पता है तो
चिल्लाइए
बता
मत।
दीजिए।
लोग देखें यहाँ पे बैठे। गौरव जी, मैं आपसे एक बात
राजीव जी,
पूछना
मैं
चाह रही
आपसे
हूँ।
आखिरी बार कह रहा हूँ।
गौरव जी,
If you ever make a personal comment on Narendra Modi ji or a BJP spokesperson, I will not take it.
What
Do
is
you
the- what is
understand?
the personal comment
you
we
said mean. You said mean and shouting. Why?
Because you are.
can I make a statement for the benefit of this audience and for the
I will
benefit of the
not take
debate
it.
if we are
Sorry.
done with this?
Sir, I will not
We
be.
are
listen.
moving in-
No, one
Rahul,
second.
Rahul,
Rajdeep, just one second.
India today
Can I call?
I want to know the stand.
Okay, 1 second. I want to. We're running out of
Rahul,
time.
we are in Maharashtra.
We are
I just
in-
want to ask you one
Dare
thing.
you say
There
that
is a
again? Dare
Maharashtra
you say
audience
that?
here.
I warn you here.
ये
I
महाराष्ट्र-
warn you.
What are you doing?
Never ever make a personal comment
Please
about
show
my
me
leader.
the personal comment.
I
Please
will
show
tell
me.
you. I
What
will
was
tell.
the- what
How
was the
dare you
personal
say
comment?
that this nation will become a nation of one leader, Modi ji? How?
That's a question. Am I not allowed to ask you a question?
How dare you?
Am I not? How
Has
dare
he not
are you
won 3 elections? Has he not won 3 elections?
Okay,
Has
Rajdeep,
he not
no,
won
one
3
second.
elections?
Are you
How
threatening
dare
me?
you?
Listen,
Never
Gaurav bhai.
Are you
Okay,
threatening me?
Rajdeep.
I am telling you, and I will enforce.
I let
all
this audience
remedies.
decide the quality of people that we
Okay,
have in
Please,
public life.
So, okay,
if the
one
quality is
second.
bad, listen, Rahul. No.
Okay,
Listen.
you
wait.
made your point.
No, I'm not. If
One
the-
second.
If the
Because
qual-
no, one second.
Rahul, please.
One second. Faders down. I must call this
No.
debate. No, this is not right.
Can
You're speaking.
Do you stand for that? what
I
he
don't
said?
stand for any of what anyone is doing.
Does
You
the
made your point.
executive say-
Gaurav bhai, you made your point.
Not done.
No, one second. I've got just a few minutes left before we wrap up. What I wish to do.
You cannot
as we
shout
wrap up-
at
No,
me
one
like
second,
this
Rajdeep,
now.
just drop this.
I'm
One second.
very patient.
Let's drop this.
You are not patient, you are
Gaurav
biased.
bhai, you
And
made
that
a
is why
point.
I'm giving it back to you.
Gaurav, you made a
He
point.
doesn't.
You made a point. Now,
How?
you
How
can't.
could he say Narendra Modi ji,
I'm
one
not
nation,
agreeing.
one leader?
Hey, one second,
asked
you
you a
made a
question.
point.
On an India
One
Today
second.
platform.
I asked you a question.
Rahul,
One
How
second.
dare you?
Okay,
Can I make a
Gaurav,
point?
you made a
Narendra
point. You
Modi
made a
ji
point.
has won 3 elections.
I want to make just one point.
No, one second.
Yeah,
Give
Narendra
me 1
Modi
minute.
has
Give me
won
1 minute.
3 elections. And your anchor dares
Okay,
to
one
say
second, you
in
made that
India
point. Gaurav
that
bhai.
he is one nation, one leader.
You made a point. We've heard you. One
So
second.
why did he say that?
What is
He can.
this threatening?
Arey,
What
he's
is
made a
happening?
point. You've responded. Calm down. You.
So why
He
is this
said
the platform
something.
for Modi bashing?
You've responded. One
Is this
second.
the platform for
There is no
Modi
Modi
bashing?
bashing happening. What are you saying? Okay.
Never ever
One
do that
second.
again.
1 second. Time out.
You know
Time out.
nothing about
Okay.
the
1 second.
Constitution and you
Gaurav
want
bhai.
to deliberate
Gaurav
it.
bhai. 1 second. 1 second. Rajdeep.
You invited us.
Yes.
How dare he say
You-
that you are,
he
how
said
dare
I
he-
asked
something.
you a
You've made a
question.
How
point.
dare he say?
I asked
How
you a
dare I
question,
ask
sir.
Why are you
on this
asking me?
platform?
He's made a
Are you-
point.
I asked you a
Alright, so
question.
what we're going to do is,
This is
I'm
not
going
going
to
to serve
come
any
in.
purpose.
What
Okay,
we're
one
going to do
second.
is, we're all going to
One
bring
second.
Sir, do not threaten.
Never ever do that
Okay,
again to my
one
party.
second.
Threaten again.
We
Never
are all
ever do
going
that
one
again.
second.
Do not threaten, sir.
Here's what we're going to
I will give
do.
it back
Gaurav
to you.
bhai. Okay, 1 second. Here's
Fair and square. I tell you, no.
here's
I
what
object.
you've made. How often will you object? You've objected. We've registered your objection. Now give everybody a chance. You're trying to monopolize the debate, which is not fair.
I'm sorry.
He's
I think I was
he's
ready.
made a point. You've objected. We've heard
Yeah,
you.
this is
Now
not
calm
an
down.
anti-BJP platform.
There is no anti-BJP platform.
So please.
You made a point. We've heard you. Now thande ho jao. Okay, 1 second. We're running
Hey,
out of
do that.
time. It's time also for lunch. I want, in the interest of fairness, to give everybody 30 seconds each to make concluding comments. Let's again try and raise the level of the debate. I'll start
these
with Supriya.
anchors.
So you got
By these anchors.
can't keep making the same point again and again. You made that
Can't
point.
be making personal
You
comments.
cannot make the same point again and again. Supriya
I will.
Shirnet,
I
final
will,
points.
Rahul.
Final words. Will you let others speak, please? Supriya Shirnet, final words.
We are sitting in Mumbai. महाराष्ट्र का जो चुनाव हरियाणा और जम्मू कश्मीर के साथ करा नहीं पाए, बात कर रहे हैं वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन की। असलियत तो ये है। And I want to tell this audience, I am sorry for what happened here. I am sorry on the behalf of political parties and politicians at large. We wasted your time. I am sorry about that. You should apologize too.
Okay, 1 second. Gaurav, you've spoken enough. Hitesh,
No,
I'll
sorry.
come to you last.
So- no,
you
I
cannot
need to
decide
speak.
when you will speak. I'm sorry.
No, Rahul,
Hitesh
this
Jain,
is-
I give you 30 seconds to make your final points. Yes, please.
Rahul, time for one nation, one election has come. I don't think this is an adversarial debate, but this is a topic on which we should rise and keep the national interest above the political interest.
Amitabh Tiwari, 30 seconds.
See, it is a disruptive idea and it needs much wider consultations because in the committee report itself, the cost benefit is not mentioned. How much money ECI is going to save by conducting simultaneous elections is not mentioned. The benefits are largely intangible, which is very, very difficult to quantify. So we need much wider consultations.
Which is the idea,
And-
which is
and
why
Rahul,
we did this.
and Rahul,
You've spoken now.
Just-
Supriya
no,
ji.
this is for your benefit.
Now you will allow.
Give everyone a
Now you will
I'm not
allow.
allowing it.
Supriya,
I'm
you
not
can't.
allowing it.
No,
Jagdeep ji.
Jagdeep
One
spoken.
second. Jagdeep ji, 30 seconds to make your final comments.
I am sorry I came to participate in the conclave because I did not come for this that has happened here, and I have nothing more to say. If this is the way politics in the country is going to be run, we can have one nation, one election, 2,000 nations, 5,000 elections. It is not going to make any difference.
Can
Gaurav
I,
Bhatia,
can I
30
just
seconds.
give my 30 seconds?
Okay, fine. Abhi.
My 30 seconds is this. We have a show, Elections on My Plate. You do Jab We Met. We go to different parts of this wonderful country. I've come back from Haryana. I was earlier in Jammu and Kashmir. I only hope one nation, one election doesn't prevent us from doing that. We want to celebrate each and every corner of the greatest country in
And
the
your
world.
money minting conclave.
Just a minute.
One
Ma'am,
second.
allow me to finish.
Let
The
Gaurav Bhatia.
only way you can celebrate this country, allow every Indian to
By
express
calling
himself,
names to the Prime
is
Minister,
have-
you will celebrate.
Just a minute, sir. I will replay that. I want the audience. I asked a question. Is this about one nation, one election, or one nation, one election, one leader? That's the question I asked. If you feel that's an attack on the Prime Minister, I am more than willing to apologize for it. Mera dil bahut bada hai. You don't know how big my chest is, but I won't I won't refer to my chest. I only will refer to the
Now,
fact.
this is all
Okay,
fine.
Rajdeep,
This is all
now you're
fine.
doing more than 30 seconds.
That's the whole problem.
Gaurav Bhatia, 30 seconds. Khatam karo.
India is proud of Narendra Modi ji. He is a leader who has won 3 elections in a row. Remember that. Two, I want to make it very clear that one nation, one poll is a necessity. It's not an article of luxury. Read the constitution. I will tell you, read Article 83, read Article 368, and you will come to know why it's important. And you, as a citizen, have one vote. Gaurav Bhatia, as a citizen, has one vote. By being in minority, you have no right to dictate terms what the country will do. And I will end by a couplet. इन्हें गुमा है कि मेरी उड़ान कम है, इन्हें गुमा है कि मेरी उड़ान कम है, मुझे यकीन है पूरा आसमान कम है. ये है भारतीय जनता पार्टी and the citizenry of the country. Thank you.
व्यूअर्स, अगर इस वीडियो को अच्छा लगे तो एक लाइक कीजिएगा. अभी मेरा चैनल में नया आया है तो प्लीज़ मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और वीडियो को वॉच कीजिए. तब तक आप लोग को मैं हमेशा ऐसा एंटरटेनमेंट न्यूज़ अपडेट वगैरह देते रहूँगा. तब तक के लिए आप लोग का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.